The packaging we currently supply to Clothes2order is a green packaging called Green PE, which is produced from polyethylene, which was derived from sugarcane. And basically how it works, you're taking carbon from the atmosphere. You take carbon direct from the atmosphere and you crack it back into an ethylene gas that you make into plastic. So the actual packaging Clothes2order are using is actual carbon negative. So you're taking carbon from the air, where majority of packaging in the industry today actually puts carbon into the atmosphere. Process one is the extrusion. It's like a chewing gum, I'd say. You blow the chewing gum, that's like molten plastic. You blow it into a bubble. When you slit the bubble down, you make it into polyethylene rolls, which then look like, say, toilet rolls. And you print on the film, which normally you print the design of the company. So Duo would print on the Clothes2order design. On the packaging, it states 85% bio-based. But after the process of printing, it goes into the bag department, which then is made into a bag, which in essence is the end product, which you see, which is the bag that they send out the overalls, the branded garments to the customer. As a green packaging goes, you're taking carbon from the air and it's so sustainable, you know, and it can be recycled. It's a big key, it can be recycled.